Okay guys, we got another problem here. This is problem number 19 of principal Y delta Y conversion or transformation. So we have a circuit here. This is 13, this is 10, 8, 50, 40, 4, 7, and we are asked to look for the value of uh, the total R resistance taken from the terminals AB using Y to delta transformation, and the next one uh, delta to Y. Okay, so the problem states that we have to use 10, 40, and 50. We're going to change this delta to Y connection. So that's what we're gonna do. So this is R1, this is our R2, and this is our R3. So this is delta to Y transformation. So R1 equals the two resistors that enclose R1 is 10, and then times 50, and then in the denominator is just the sum of all the resistors in delta. 10 plus 40, 10 plus 40 plus 50. So this is 100, and this is 500. So 500 divided by 100 is 5 ohms. And then we get now the R2. So what is important here is we get to be correct in our entry on the numerator, because the denominator is just the same, 10 plus 40 plus 50. So what are the resistors that enclose our R2? That is 10 and 40. So this is 10 times 40. So the answer here is 4 ohms. And then we go now to R3. Just like the other two, its denominator is still 10 plus 40 plus 50. And on the numerator, what are the resistors that enclose R3? That is 40 and 50. So 40 times 50, and this is 2000. So 2000 divided by 100 is 20 ohms. Now we can redraw our circuit already. So this is our 13, and then we have now our R1, and then our R2, and our R2 is in series with our 8. Our R3 is in series with our 4 ohm resistor, and then we have 7. So this is our 13, this is our 7, and then this is our 5, this is our 4, this is our 8, this is our R3, which is 20, and then this is our 4. So using simple series and parallel connection strategy, then we can now get our RAB. This is our A, this is our B. So these two is in series, are in series together, and these two are in series together, and then their combinations are in parallel. So this is 12, and this is 24. So 12 times 24 divided by 12 plus 24, 36, right? So the answer is 8. So this is 8. The entire thing here is 8. And then it is in series with 5, 13, right? And then plus 13, that is 26. 26 plus 7 is 33. Our RAB now is 33 ohms. Now, what if we're going to do the Y to delta? So, problem states that we have to use 10, 40, and 10, 40, and 8. So, we're going to draw this part only. So, this is our 10, this is our 8, and this is our 40. Okay, so these are so this is still 50 and this is still 4. Okay, let us draw them. This is our 4 and this is our 50. So this is our 10, this is our 40, and this is our 8. Now, if you are going to transform this T or Y connection into delta, then we have this. Let's just call this RA, and this is RB, and this is RC. Okay, and then we get RA, RB, and RC. So RA is, now in Y to delta conversion or transformation, our numerators are the same for all the RA, RB, and RC. So we have here 10 times 8, 10 times 8 plus 10 times 40 plus 8 times 40. And then if we are going to get RA, so we just identify the opposite resistance, which is 40. So the answer therefore is, this is 80 and this is 400 and this is 320. So 80 plus 400 plus 320, and the answer is 800. 800 divided by 40, 20. So our RA is 20, and our RB, same numerator. What was our numerator again? 800. So the value of this one is 800 divided by RB. So what is its opposite resistance? 8. So the answer here is 100 ohms. And then how about RC? Our RC, same numerator, which is 800 divided by, where is our RC? This one. So the opposite is 10. So 800 divided by 10 is 80, equals 80 ohms. Now, if we are going to connect our 13 here, this is our 13 and this is our 7. So we know that RB and our 50 are in parallel, and then RC and our 4 are also in parallel, and the connection, their combinations are in series. Therefore, RB and 50, RB is 100. So let's put this in circle and let us get its equivalent. So 100 times 50 divided by 150. The answer is, in terms of fraction, 100 over. So we have here the parallel combination of 150. So we have gotten the values of RA, our RA, RB, and RC. This one, RA, RB, and our RC. And then the combination, since they have the same set of terminals, 50 and RB are in parallel, and if we're going to combine them, the answer is 103. And the same is true for RC and 4, since they are in parallel, their combination equals 80 over 21. So this will be our final circuit. So we have our RA, and then we have now, this is our 100 over 3, and this is our 80 over 21. This is still our 13. This is our RA, and our RA is 20, and this is still our 7. So we can see that 20 and the combination of this are in parallel. So the combination of the whole entire of this, so let us compute. What is 100 over 3? 100 over 3 plus 80 over 21, 80 over 21. The answer is 260 over 7. 260 over 7. It's a combination of this, and then in parallel with 20, so 260 in parallel with 20, so times 20 divided by 20 plus what is that again? $60 over 7. Answer equals 100 over 3 plus 80 over 21 260 over 7, I'm sorry. So 260 over 7 times 20 equals, divided by 20 plus 260 over 7. So the answer is 13. So 13, the entire thing here is 13 plus 13 is 26 plus 7 is 33. So RAB is indeed 33 ohms. So we were able to confirm that this is correct because we did two solutions and we got the same answers.